Hello. Like every time you come in here, you see. Hi folks, it's Chef Gary again here at Deja Vu at 936 Florida here in downtown Memphis. Today we're going to do Blackened Catfish. It's a dish that we use in New Orleans and it's famous all over the world. It was made famous by Chef in New Orleans. So we're going to take you right through this. We do our own little dry rub. It's tarragon herbs, little Italian. You have basil, all the dry herbs that's here. And we're going to put a little Cajun seasoning. We're going to coat this fish. And as you can see, I have a cast iron skillet here. Old school. So you don't know nothing about this stuff. You got to be past 40 to know about this. And almost country. But you coat this a little bit. This is a 5 to 7 pound catfish. So we're going to put the herbs on it. I'm going to take it right through that. As you can see, if she can pan over and show you that pan, it's nice and hot. That's how you want it. So when this fish goes down, it's sizzling, ready to go. And then we're going to go with some fresh spinach on top of this. It's a fried plantain, which makes a great meal here at Deja Vu. We want you to come down and try this dish. And we also fry the catfish also, so it's no problem. It's nice and golden. You hear that sizzle? Man. We're going to put another piece down like this. Blackened catfish. So that's coated with a little totally saturated Cajun seasoning. We have tarragon herbs, a little basil, a little oregano, and a little dry rub that we put together, and man, it's a wonderful dish. It's a little olive oil inside of here. And you put it in a cast iron skillet and just let it go. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side, you have a wonderful dish. We're going to move this on out of the way. Use the towel to do it. I know. Look at this, folks. I'm going to turn this over right quick for you. Look how beautiful that is. You got that blackened seasoning. You want this a little darker. This will take about another 5 minutes to be ready to go. Then we're going to do this fresh spinach, and then we're going to have some fried plantain. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Look at it. Wonderful dish here, man. Those herbs are marinated in there. That olive oil is soaked up in there. It's gonna be nice and moist. Ready. We're gonna top that off with a green onion, a little lemon, and we're ready to go on in with it. I'm going to plate this up for you folks, and I'm going to turn this thing over to Chef James Moore, my homeboy from New Orleans. Here we go.
Hey, I'm James Moore. I'm here at Deja Vu, and I'm gonna blanch off some spinach. I have some oil here, I have butter, I have a little salt and pepper here for taste. And this spinach here takes no time to cook here. Give it a couple of tosses here. Quick toss.
That's good, Chef. Chef James Moore. He's New Orleans native. We're both homeboys. I'm telling you, man, this guy is somebody to reckon with. We're here taking care of the city. We represent New Orleans right here in Memphis. Who that? Sous Chef. Who that day location right here, Florida Street, 936 Florida. My man, Chef James Moore. Like my mom always said, you gotta be a wild as a fox, only have one hole.